Hello everyone. In last video we have discussed how we can write a basic program using Verilog. In today we will see how we can instantiate and program to another program. So already we have designed a half-adder program and then we have written the test bench for the half-adder program. So to write a new program or another program, please right click demo and give new source, and then please click Verilog module. We are going to design a full adder program, so FA, I'm going to give that name FA, and then you please choose the location where you want to store and then give next, finish. So for to write a full adder program, for full adder by using an half adder, this is the basic logic diagram. Module, module FA, FA, the input variables are a comma b comma c in, and then the output variables are, first always we should declare outputs sum and carry and a comma b comma c in, and then we will declare the inputs and outputs separately. Input a comma b comma c in, and output sum and carry. And then here we have to declare the wires. What is meant by wires? The wire is nothing but it is an interconnection between components. So here this one half adder we have another half adder. The interconnections are called wires. The wires are named as S1, C1 and C2. So we will give the wire S1, C1 and C2. Now we can write a program. So we are going to call a half adder program. The half adder is named as HA. We have written this as a HA. So give HA, program name HA, and then the corresponding half adder name. Okay, we can give some H1. Open the bracket. So for first half adder, H1 is the first half adder and H2 is the second half adder. For first half adder, the outputs are S1 and C1 and the inputs are A comma B. So while I instantiate, we should be very careful with the corresponding positional assignment. Okay, so here in the half adder we have declared the first sum, carry and then two inputs. So when we are declaring here also, at first we should declare the sum. The sum is S1. So S1, and then in the half adder program we have declared the carry. So carry is C1 and the input variables are A comma B. Now this corresponding S1 is mapped with this S. So you can see here this S1, C1, AB. These four variables are mapped with SCAB. So this S is mapped with S1, C is mapped with C1, and A is mapped with A, and B is mapped with B. And then we need to have another half adder. So HA, and then you can give H2, open the brackets. So for H2, what is output? S is the output and C2 is the output. So S, comma, C2, comma. So for HA2, what is input variable? S1 is the input variable and C in is the another input variable. So S1, comma, C in. And then we have a OR gate. So OR gate, R is the keyword. So for OR gate, what is the output? C is the output. C and the inputs are C2 and C1. C2, comma, C1 in module. So this is the program for full adder using half adder. Copy it. I will paste it over there. So as I told earlier, it is case sensitive. So always maintain the lower case. So we have written the program. So we need to save it. We have saved it. And then you please give synthesize. So it will check for the syntax. So the syntax is correct. So now we can write a test bench. To write a test bench, what we will do? You please right click the full adder program and then please give new source and then please select Verilog test fixture full adder underscore TB test bench. Give next. So we have two programs in the full adder HA and of FA. So we are going to write a test bench for full adder FA. So please click FA and give next. Finish. Test bench gets opened here. Here we have a three condition. A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0 and C is equal to 0. So now we should write for another cases. So 000 001 another case 010 011 100 1 01 110 1 1 1. So we have done for all the cases. You please save it and then you please click simulate behavior model. Double click. So it has been integrated with model sim. It will be get open. So in waveform, you can see, please click zoom full. You can see for all the cases here. So for 000, 001, 010, 011, 100, 101, 110, 111. So we have written the program for full adder using half adder by means of instantiate. So here we have written this program by means of positional assignment. So we have taken this position sum carry a comma b. So we didn't change any position. At first they have declared the subprogram a sum carry a b. So we have followed the same positional sum carry a comma b. So this is how we should write a instantiation in the Verilog. In next video we will see how we can do for a ripple carry adder using full adder. Thank you.